He got close, and then he disappeared. Not all at once, just enough that you started questioning what you felt. Maybe he came back. Maybe he even said the right things. But something in you still felt unsure. That uncertainty doesn't mean you imagined the connection. It can reflect a contradiction. Care can exist without the emotional capacity to show up consistently. Reaching out isn't the same as repairing what broke. This is what Attachment Decoded exists to explain. Here, we look closely at avoidant attachment and avoidant empath dynamics, emotional withdrawal, mixed signals, silence after closeness, and the aftermath of an unfinished connection. Not to guess what he's thinking, but to help you understand the pattern you're standing inside. Understanding a pattern is not the same as accepting it. You'll learn to distinguish words from follow-through, contact from accountability, and someone naming his behavior from someone meaningfully changing it. What you gain isn't certainty about him, it's clarity about what you're seeing. Steadier boundaries, less confusion, and space to begin healing without waiting for him to change, a way to watch the pattern without disappearing into it. If that's what you're looking for, subscribe and start with the videos below.